Good morning, and welcome to Change Pace Poetry, number 55. My name is Leland Jamieson. I'll read, as I usually do, 3 poems from this book, In Vitro, New Short Rhyming Poems, Post 9/11. And the first of these is a set of 3 quatrains. It's called Spring, Light, and Warmth. Spring sun has left my wood stove dark, as cold to touch with hand as I. I'm done now groping logs that arc and leap with flame and ashen die. I feel the warmth of sun whose stove is far away, but sniff no flames that thicker, fragrant hints of clove like mine, capricious in their aims. Although I've lost all appetite for logs that bang up hand and knee, still, looking past my stove for light and warmth feels strangely odd to me. And the next poem is a kind of a frivolous little thing. It's a rhyme royal, something I find very contemporary, but is really as old as Chaucer. This is called A Smile on Nature's Face. The songs of slated juncos, those loose-held trills, those smacks and tickering notes attract my eye to a full-leaved rhododendron. Goosebump chills. Within, a slate-white mating flight. What? Shy? Why shy? My own self-consciousness awry? Projecting on this smile on nature's face, my own, recalling lovers' lanes embrace. And the third is a sonnet, English sonnet. It's called Of Cairns. There is a part of me that craves a dog, a terrier, a wheaten cairn to be precise, a warm and shaggy whiskered pedagogue that has no neocortical advice. From my poor skull she'd flush the mid-brain truth with wagging tail, wet tongue, yet nothing said. She'd tease from me my best, that limbic sleuth, outfoxing rocks long squirreled inside my head. But would I live to bury her with due respect beneath a cairn heaped up above? Or would she feel abandonment, no clue, if I go first, despite her terrier's love? Or, worse, both she and I together grow so old then that neither then can come or go. And those are the 3 poems for today. I want to invite you, as usual, to my website, jamiesonspoetry.com. You'll find there a library of all the poems read here, texts of the poems read, plus all the videos. So if you want to see the language that you may have missed on the fly, that's a way to do it. Or if you want to cut to the chase, you may order the book In Vitro at createspace.com, 3372169. That's createspace.com/3372169. So I want to thank you for coming. Hope you'll join us next time.